guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today, she will be cooking.
Let's have some fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Anything Cook. Today I'm going to make for you a vegetarian dish. It's also vegan. It's called Undhiyu. Some people call it Undhiyu, but basically it's a steamed veg dish, very healthy, and you normally eat it with roti and maybe some salad, a raita. Okay, so all you need is whichever vegetables you like. It goes very well with root vegetables, so with potato, you can use sweet potato, I use carrots, you can use pumpkin, butternut, and then you need cabbage as well. So over here I've got baby cabbage. You can use a big cabbage and just cut it up into pieces. And then I've got here some butternut and some potatoes here that I've cut into thick rings, some carrots. I've cut them a bit small because they take longer to cook. And then I've got beans, green beans here. You can use whatever beans you can find. Papri beans go nice with this. And even if you can get dabla beans as well, those go very nice in the dish. But because it's lockdown, I can't find everything that I'm looking for, so I'm just gonna use what I have. Okay, so I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients now. Okay, so the most important flavor component of this dish is the Carom seeds. These are also known as Carom seeds. And we'll also need some green chili paste, some garlic and ginger paste, Dhana Jeera powder, some curry leaves, turmeric powder, and some chilli powder. You're also going to need salt for seasoning and oil for the marinade. Okay, so we're going to get a dish and we're going to put some oil in there, about maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then to that we are going to add 2 teaspoons of Dhana Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more if you prefer more heat. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a few curry leaves, 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and 1 heaped teaspoon of green chili paste. And then with the carom seeds, you're just going to have to crush a little bit in your palms to release the flavor. So in here I've got about 2 tablespoons of carom seeds. I'm just going to add a little bit of water as well, just to make a nice marinade, and also we need the veg to steam nicely. Okay, so I'm just going to mix it all well to make a nice marinade. If you find that you want to add more spices, then you can, depending on your flavor preference. Okay, so I've got my pot here We're going to layer the vegetables from the ones that take longest to cook to the ones that will cook very quick. So at the bottom, I'm going to layer my potatoes, and I'm just going to dip my potatoes in the marinade and layer it on the bottom of the pot. You don't have to worry about coating it because we are going to pour the marinade on top when we are done layering all the vegetables. Next, I'm going to add the carrots in between all the spaces. And then I'm going to add the beans. The beans I'm actually going to soak in the marinade before I put them in because they will absorb a lot of the flavor when they cook. So on top of the beans, I'm going to add the butternut. Butternut doesn't take very long to cook, so it will steam very quick, get soft very quick. And then we are going to add the cabbage. So the cabbage, because I've cut it into quarters like this, there's a lot of space for the marinade to sit and absorb all of the flavors. I'm just going to layer it on top like that. Just make sure that you get all of the marinade in the spaces. The reason why I've chosen the baby cabbage is because it cooks much quicker than the bigger one, and it holds more flavor as well. So I'm going to arrange the cabbage such that it adds a layer on top of the vegetables so that the steam is trapped and the veggies cook nicely. So it's just like a lid. And then with the rest of the marinade, we're just going to pour it over. Okay, so we are done assembling the dish. Now we'll just put it on the stove on high until it starts to boil. When it boils, just turn it onto a medium heat and keep the lid on. Let it steam until the vegetables have become soft. And then maybe about half an hour in, you can open up the lid and just see that everything's okay in there. The goal is also to let the potatoes catch at the bottom so that it gets a slight golden brown color, and that really adds to the flavor of the dish as well. So let's put it on the stove. Alright, so it's been half an hour. I'm just going to take a look. It looks like everything's steamed. So I'm just going to turn up the heat a little bit so that the water can burn out. And then I'll give it another maybe 15 to 20 minutes and then check on it. After that, everything should be fine. Everything is soft already, so we just want the water to reduce. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes simmering. And we can hear that the water has reduced. So I'm just going to check and make sure that the potatoes have browned a little bit at the bottom. As you can see at the bottom, it's just begun to catch a little bit, but it's not burnt. That's perfect. So I'm just going to close the pot and give it a quick toss in the pot, or you can stir it, whatever you find easier. So I've just tossed the pot a bit. It looks ready. The potatoes are golden brown underneath and everything is soft. So everything's ready to serve. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And if you've tried this video, then please leave a comment below and let us know. Okay, ready to serve.